Welcome back to my channel, Angie Lemus. Uh, Today I'm gonna teaching you how to make or design your own watermark for your YouTube channel just for free, and you can design the way you like it, the way you want it, and free download it as well. So first of all, we're gonna go to Google, click on Google, research for YouTube. I'm sorry, I always have a trouble to type in YouTube subscriber button square because YouTube required for a square button, right? So we're gonna click over here. Let's click, and this is the page where we're gonna get. So we're gonna click and imagine right here, imagine, click, and this is all we have right here. So but you can see we don't have too many choices on free item, so let's pick one that is free and we can download it or save it. So let's do this. Let's say this, because we don't have so many choices. So I'm gonna say this imagine as, I'm gonna name the imagine. So I'm gonna save it here. I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna use it for my niche channel. So here is a GIS 84 I mean GIS 8450. Save. Okay, and now I'm gonna go back to my right here. I'm gonna go back to my Google. Let's close this and open a new tab. Open a new window. I'm sorry, not tab. I was thinking about tab because I'm a bartender and I was opening tab for people. So we're gonna research for Canva.com. This is a designer application and it is totally free.com. Click, and we're gonna click over here, right here in the first line. Click, and here we go, create design. So I already signed up for the account, and like I say, it's free. So that's my picture right there. So I'm gonna click here, create a design, and he give you some option. You can scroll down and see all your choices, but since it is free, I wanna choose custom the mission. Click. So, and YouTube required for 150 pixels. Okay, so making sure you do 150 pixels, that way it can be accepted. Okay, we do create design, and here we're gonna get a blank window. So we are gonna choose our background right here. Okay, background right here. Click, and we're gonna pick the color we like it for our background. So let's see, I don't like those. So like I said, you can pick any color you like, yeah. It's up to you. Okay, I don't like those either. But you have so many choices, you know, it's easy. Let's pick, no, I don't think I'm gonna like the color. That's a difficult decision because you wanna make sure your channel look very professional, right? Let's get this because it's free. Click, and I got it right there. Next step, we are going to select the text. So let's find the text. My computer's kinda freaking, so I'm gonna type text, click. So it didn't give me any options. I'm gonna keep looking. Let's see, right here, here we go, right here. Click add handling. Let's click over here and start typing. So let's type in something attractive to our viewers. So we're gonna type click here to, okay, let's erase it, this extra letter we have here. Okay, I don't know why I can erase that. Okay, and we got it right there. Next, we are going to look for error. Let's see what we have an element. Let's get this imagine because it's free. Okay, let's change the color. Let's get, it says free. That's from, wow, no free. Okay, let's look for something free that is very attractive. Let's see for that's a difficult part, you know, because you have no design. So, and you gotta design, you own design free. Okay, now let's go back. Let's see if we can change the color right here. Okay, see, look, perfect. Okay, let's keep going. The Falcon color. No, I'm not gonna leave it like that. Okay. Then I'm gonna go back to type a title, text, click, handle, and I'm gonna do subscribe right here. So I'm gonna do subscribe. Okay. Let's see. Choose the type of letter you want. Let's get 14. Let's choose the color. Red. Text. Handle. Okay, here we go. Subscribe. Okay. Let's find for maybe free music. Free. Free. Old school hip hop. Dance dream. Dance bright. Something free. Okay, here we are. We don't wanna. Oh, making sure my text is okay. Got some extra letters in here. Subscribe. Okay, let's download it, making sure it's 150. Okay, and download it. Okay, let's say or imagine, and we're gonna name G's 8415. Save. And here we go. Okay, let's close this tab, and now let's go to her channel on YouTube. That is gonna be right here. Okay, and this is G84 where I want to go. Let's go. Students. Click incidents. Let's go to our channel, and let's go to our branding right there. Let's show our watermark right here, and we gotta save it on our files. So it should be somewhere in here. Let's look for it's right here. Open. And we're going in our entitled videos. We go save. And this is it, guys. Oh, let me show you where it's gonna show in on our videos. So I'm pretty sure you are interested and see it. Okay, so let's play that one right here. Oh, I don't see it. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Maybe it didn't work, so let's go back again. Oh, right there. I see it right here. Subscribe. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Remember, subscribe to my channel, Angie Lemos. Bye.